gentlemen, about to start the third set. Ricky Flores is now with Nes Pamilar. Go ahead, Ricky.
Coach Nes, you have never been down 2-0 in this tournament. Ano po yung major adjustment na gagawin nyo heading into this set?
Yung ano ko lang naman, maka-receive lang kayo. Kailangan pagbutihan namin yung receive. Tapos yung blocking namin, yun nga yung kay Bernal. So, kailangan may i-organize namin yung blocking.
Okay, thank you very much, Coach. Noel and Noreen.
Thank you very much, Ricky Flores. And of course, the Philippines Superliga is brought to you by Petron Blaze. €100 for high-performance gasoline meets European fuel quality standards. And it is only from Petron, the only oil refinery in the Philippines. So we are now about to begin our third set. 2-0 is the lead of Signal. Once again, Noel Zarate alongside Noreen Go and Ricky Flores from the Phil Sports Arena. Our ongoing coverage of Day 4 here in the Philippine Superliga. Once again, an update on the team standings here. Noreen, Signal is actually 1 win and 2 losses. Cagayan Valley 3-0, but they are in danger of picking up their first loss right now. They are down by 2 sets.
That's right. They find themselves in unfamiliar territory.
Right. So a service error there by Arian Argarin after she served out that second set. Wendy Ann Semana. Venus Bernal. Argarin. That to win. Here's Semana now going across. Bang Pineda. Into trouble. Pineda keeps it alive. Semana gets it across. And here is the combination play now for Venus Bernal. Semana keeps it alive again. That's too near for Pineda, and she can't get there.
But I think, wasn't Venus Bernal the same generation as Wendy and Semana? Was that
They might have met each other. Yeah, I'm pretty sure they might have crossed paths in the UAAP.
Yeah.
Although Venus Bernal is from an older batch. Jonella, nice reception. Here is Jen Manzano. Combo right now. Oh, that's a runner actually. They mix it up as Bernal scores.
Well, you know, Venus Bernal really doing a good job. You know, not only just power hitting, just putting it, placement shots. Smart play.
And here is Semana now. Sandra De Los Santos.
That's right, finds it long there in that deep corner of the Signal defense. Sandra De Los Santos, again, we always mention the percentages in terms of service.
And now serving is Sandra De Los Santos. We are tied at 2. Nice serve by Sandra, and Jen Reyes lost her footing, and that's going to be a double on Danica Hendrauli. So 3-2, Cagayan Valley up by 1.
Well, she is human after all.
She slips. That's not her fault, it's the floor's fault.
It's her shoe's fault.
And Venus, oh, the serves of Sandra starting to click now. And that one is a miss from Rap Rap.
That's right, way wide there for Aguilar. And Acaces back in the fold of Cagayan.
And now 4-2 for the Rising Suns. Sandra De Los Santos from the University of Perpetual Help System, Dalta. Sharp one, falls in.
Well, she'll take it, but a good start here for Cagayan Valley. You know, they have to realize that they're not at 3 wins and 0 losses for nothing, so they can't extend this to a 5th, but they have to win this set.
And you saw Jen Reyes right there, thinking of where that ball is going to go next. So 5-2. Sandra De Los Santos once again. Another serve that, again, now Sandra, you know, she only faulted twice in her last game. She's faulted about 4 times already today.
That's right. Her service groove is not there.
But they need that. That's a weapon that they need to use. Venus Bernal, her serve goes into the net.
So both teams committing a series of errors here.
6-3. Here's Sheila Pineda. This is what she did during that commercial. This was her role.
To serve.
She served. But this time it goes out. In the commercial, it was in. 6-4. Here's Rap. Oh, overcooked reception. Easy pickings there for Danica and Rowley with either hand. She could have done that.
That's right. And, you know, that was what Coach Ness was mentioning there in that interview. They need, you know, to improve on their defense.
Well, they did very well defensively against the TMS Philippine Army when they won their opening day match. TMS Philippine Army looked unbeatable until they ran into Cagayan Valley. Here's the runner from Tubino. Jonella gets to it. Here's Joy Cases. Aguilar, Argarin, Tubino across.
Good dig, Semana.
Manzano, Cases blocked again by Tubino, and that's an offensive block from Royce Tubino.
Well, Semana tried to chase that down, but it was too far.
Tied at 6. Rap Aguilar. Sharp one. Semana. Back set. Jen Manzano trying to go across. Aguilar is there. Argarin and Rowley through the block. Third ball coming up.
Still alive.
Here's Danica and Rowley on the push this time. Manzano. Cases off the block. Reyes. Argarin. Tubino.
Well, you know, if Tubino is on, that's good news all the time for her squad. In this case, it's Team Signal.
I'm going to have to ask later on, Noreen, for a stat on Jen Reyes, how many excellent digs she's gotten already. Semana, quick set,
10,000.
Lisa De Ramos.
10,000.
And that one goes wide, and we will move into our first technical timeout. 10,000 with Signal up by 2. Stay with us, we'll be right back.